You know, Islam is the final religion. Islam is the last religion in the world as a whole. Why? Because Islam lead the man in his all aspect of life to the right path. Your fellows, Islam order its follower to pay zakah the poor due. If they are wealthy in the eye of Islam, Islam wants society to be happy. Islam wants people to be flourishing. Islam wants universe to be right. That is why Islam wants the world to be in circulation. Allah says, يا أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة إن الله مع الصابرين ولا تقولوا لمن يقتل في سبيل الله أموات بل أحياء ولكن لا تشعرون. Dear brother, the world learned financial system from the Islamic system of economy. They increase their wealth by this law. If you give thanks, I will give you more. But if you are more thankless, the concept of being obliged to give a portion of one's wealth for the sake of God as an act of